If you want to check your battery usage and see what's actually draining the battery, you can. Just click on the Start button, type Settings, and click on Settings in the search results. When the window opens, click on System in the left column, and to the right, click on Power and Battery. At the top, you can see your current battery level and its estimated time remaining. Further down, you can set a power mode, which either favors extended battery life or more performance at the cost of battery life. Below this, click on Battery Usage. You'll be able to see your battery levels over the past 24 hours, or the last 7 days. This includes how long the screen was on, how long it was off, and how long your computer was asleep. Further down, you can see which apps used your battery the most over the given period of time. In use is the time you spent actually using the app and how much it was responsible for draining your battery. Background is the time that the app spent open but not actively being used. This can give you an idea of which apps are draining your battery the most. If a specific app is using a lot of battery in the background, you can limit this. Click the 3 dots to the right of the app, and click Manage Background Activity. Under Background App Permissions, you'll see Let this app run in the background. It's likely set to Power Optimized. If it's not, just click the drop-down, and you can set it to Power Optimized. Or if you never want to let the app run in the background at all, just select Never. If you have any additional questions, you can always visit the Acer community or our Acer support site, and don't forget to subscribe.